seeking change in attitudes. Thousands marched here on Saturday, drawing attention to negative stereotypes and even acts of violence committed against Mexicans and other Latin Americans living with HIV/AIDS. Health experts here say 85% of Mexicans living with the virus are gay men who still confront hate speech and cultural stigmas deeply entrenched in Latino cultures. People living with HIV/AIDS say such negative attitudes are one of the biggest barriers to fighting the AIDS epidemic.
There is a lot of misinformation in this country, and in Mexico City especially. Stigma and discrimination are overbearing. It is something we cannot escape from. The first barrier we have to overcome is our own family.
To complicate matters, there's growing concern that the government is not doing enough to train medical professionals in early detection of HIV.
Another contentious issue is the high price of medications for AIDS patients. The Mexican government is subsidizing those medicines, but is paying 4 times more than the prices in other Latin American countries.
The reason for the high prices? The government doesn't allow generic medications to be sold to protect the patents held by large pharmaceutical companies. So according to critics, the government is using far too much AIDS money just to pay for drugs.
We are investing almost $300 million per year only to purchase medications. So the budget available to do prevention, testing, and training of physicians is really limited.
The spotlight of international public opinion is now on Mexico as it hosts the world's biggest AIDS convention. Activists here are hoping to capitalize on that and pressure the Mexican Congress to change the laws and allow the sale of lower-cost generic medications, something the pharmaceutical companies will likely lobby against. Up to 7,000 new cases of AIDS are reported here each year. Mexicans living with HIV worry that misinformation will live on here as long as the government does not put more resources into educating the population about the causes of AIDS and how to prevent it. Franc Contrares, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.